Meaning of impenetrability.
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 Impenetrability. Impenetrability refers to the quality or state of being impossible to pass through or enter. It suggests the idea of a solid barrier that cannot be penetrated or breached by external objects or forces. In other words, it is an attribute of objects or materials that resist any attempt at penetration or permeation. Impenetrability is often desirable in applications where containment or protection is critical, such as in gas storage, waterproofing or insulation. It is also a common feature of physical barriers or defensive structures, such as walls, fences, or shields.